Tomorrow's never promised, but now is the time for hopes arising.
Sorry, recording.
Yeah.
I don't know what it's like to do car stuff.
Where do we start?
Say hi. Mila, say hi. We are supposed to be actually doing Uluru and Flinders Ranges at the moment. We're supposed to have 4 weeks away. But with lockdowns, we obviously can't get into South Australia from Victoria. So we are instead just doing 2 weeks up the northwest of Victoria.
Melbourne's still in lockdown. I've had another 7 days of lockdown.
Very grateful to be able to actually get away regionally, because we could have easily been in lockdown for a bit longer, so we'll see what happens. But at this stage, we're right to go, and we are going. It went 2 weeks, thankfully.
Now we're actually going to go meet Celeste's parents. They've done 3 months already,
Yep.
of sort of half lap of Australia, I guess.
So the west
side of Australia. So a few days ago they were at Flinders Ranges.
They actually went across to Mount Isa from Northern Territory. They were only there for a couple of nights and ended up deciding to turn around and go back through NT down through South Australia. But in that couple of days that their decision making, in that couple of days that they'd been into Queensland, the rules then changed and they've had to get COVID tested and everything in South Australia.
Yeah.
Boys are pretty excited.
Yeah.
Oh, this is us in the van. Us in the camper.
Nice. Love your drawing, mate. We did have a caravan, which we sold and bought a little camper trailer.
Janko Cork Outback.
Yep.
We can get a little bit more off-road. The van was semi-off-road anyway, but we just wanted to have that little bit more flexibility, especially with maybe some more bush camping and that sort of thing. So with the little Jayco, it's a bit easier to manoeuvre and get into places. So
Well, half an hour to Bendigo. We're going to do a quick stop there, get a couple of things, booze.
we forgot alcohol. That's the one thing we forgot.
Yes.
Alcohol. Good job.
Yeah, nice one,
I
mate.
don't think Marley needs any more energy. No, I think we've got about 4 hours after Bendigo.
4 hours.
To do the free. So we're free camping for at least a few nights and then to see how we go. We haven't dealt with this amount of water and all that sort of stuff. Because this is the longest we've been away so far in the camper, not just a couple of nights. So.
Yeah. All right. Well, we'll see you probably in Bendigo. I'll do some shots there. Yo, we've just arrived at Bendigo and we're going to go to BCF and have a look around. I want to get a Nesky. Pretty keen for that.
Hi guys, we're at BCF right now and we're finding some stuff for the Caribbean.
Where's the fire pit?
Mommy, Daddy.
I reckon good idea, mate. Unless you want like a fluoro one.
No, where's the floor one?
Put them on the website.
He's not liking it.
Oh, this is the best bit, Daddy. Bad luck.
How'd we glide across the miles to fly right to you? 'Cause when I dive into the traffic, the echo of your voice is all I hear. I'm never tired of your laughing so far, but ever so near. So I lay my head to rest when the sun is rising.
She's excited. see?
Start a brand new day around the
Who are you gonna see?
hillside.
Who are you gonna see?
I long to be with
Your
you
puppy.
and all the places you have been. So today I'm time traveling.
Who are you gonna go
Today
first?
I am time traveling.
Jeez, what happened here? Suits you, though. Suits you, though.
When the sun is rising.